Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how we can pick up items in Unity. Right now I have a crosshair image and a text in the scene. Let's create a new object for the pickup system and a script. We also need another script for the object that will be picked up. First of all, open the pickup system and delete the start and update functions. Then we will add Unity Engine UI and TM Pro. Our variables are TMP text, info text, and camera cam. On update, we will declare arraycast hit, and we will shoot array from the middle of the screen using viewport point array, arraycast hit, and 20 as the range. Now, if the hit transform has the pickup object script, we can set the text value to the name variable from the pickup object component, and we will set the text to active. While we are looking at an object, if we press the E key and the bool can pick up in pickup object is true, we will pick up the object by destroying it. If the object we are looking at doesn't have the pickup object script, we will disable the text, and also the same thing when the ray doesn't hit an object at all. Let's continue with the pickup object. Here we only need the variables string name and bool pickup. Then we will assign the info text and the camera, and before we start the game, I want to change the name to item name. Looks like we forgot to put this in an else statement, so let's correct it. After that, we can add the pickup object to a rock prefab, set a name, and leave can pick up at false. When we go and look at a rock, we can see the name pop up, but nothing happens when I press E. After that, let's change the name and set can pick up to true. And this time we will see the new name, and the rock is deleted when I press E. That was it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos in the future.